Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for December 23rd. We're currently looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed down today, formed an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to start moving sideways with a bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially move as high as 92.36, possibly as low as 90.72. Definitely look for some resistance around 92.00 and look for some support around 90.98. Adjust my chart. Now let's switch over to the Euro-USD pair. This particular pair closed higher during today's session, did not break our previous low. We are looking for this pair to potentially start moving sideways with a bias still to the downside. Look for it if it rallies to go up to 144.32, possibly as low as 141.63. Look for some resistance around 143.75 and look for some support around 142.15. Okay, now looking at the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair closed down during today's session. Did form an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to continue moving to the downside. Look for it to potentially, if we get a rally, go as high as 160.78, possibly as low as 158.26. Look for some resistance around 160.25 and look for some support around 159.15. Okay, switching over to the US Swiss. This particular pair closed lower today, has been moving sideways overall. We are looking for it to continue that and possibly move as high as 1.0551, possibly as low as 103.07. Look for some resistance around 105.08 and look for some support around 103.57. Okay, as far as news announcements goes, we have the Japanese yen releasing their national CPI for November at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus on that is that things have gotten a little bit better and moved from negative 2.5% up to negative 2.0%, which could be good news for the Japanese yen. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? We've talked about it before to some degree. Let me go ahead and put it on the chart. We have an area of resistance and support, and we also have a swing trade opportunity that occurred over the last three bars. Go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. We have the swing trade here. We have a potential breakout point. The move up to here is about 40 pips. We have a window here of opportunity that could be moved through fairly quick. It's about 100 pips roughly right here between the two red lines, and then we have 40 pips here. I don't know if we'll get that much volume due to the short day tomorrow, as well as the fact that we are going into the holidays. I don't anticipate this going all the way up to here over this next session. However, if we do get a breakout, I could see it go into the 40 mark fairly quick, and at that point you could either exit and take a quick little profit, or you could move your stop loss to break even. That's 47 pips, and then we have 141 pips if you had the whole run. And what I'm thinking is, if you take the breakout here and go ahead and buy, go to break even here with your stop loss, then at that point, really doesn't matter what happens over the holidays. If we get a bump up to the 1.4504 mark, you'd be out at a profit. Well, that pretty much does it. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.